Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 science chapter 5 acids, bases and salts. Today I will teach you about the more about the salts. In last class I have discussed about the types of salts and there are three types of salts. On the basis of their behavior, we can classify these salts into three types. The first one is neutral salts, then acidic salt, and the last one is basic salts. The name of the salts is depends upon the its behavior. How neutral salts are formed? When a strong acid is strong acid reacts with a strong base, then the salt formed is called a neutral salt. Neutral salt. For example, all of you know that NaOH, a strong salt, and it's react with HCl, which is a strong acid. It forms a NaCl salt and water, but this is a type of neutral salt, and the name of the neutral salt is sodium chloride. Now how acidic salts are formed? As the name mentioned here, acidic. So when a strong acid is react with a weak base, then the salt formed is called a acidic salt. And in the same way, in case of formation of basic salt, this time base is more stronger than the acid. So here strong base is react with a weak base, then the salt formation is called a basic salt. So we can say that the salt formation is totally depends upon the nature of the acid or base which undergo in the reaction, in the neutralization reaction. So how can we define acidic salt? Acidic salts when A strong acid reacts with a weak base, then the salt form is called a acidic salt. For example, so ammonium hydroxide is react with a strong acid, it form NH4Cl यानी ammonium chloride and water, and in this reaction HCl is a strong acid, so the salt is also acidic nature, so it is called acidic salt, and the name of the particular compound is ammonium chloride. The third one is basic salt. Basic salt is formed when a weak acid reacts with a strong base. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH reacts with carbonic acid, it forms sodium carbonate, which is a basic salt. क्यों? Because the base is a strong base and it reacts with a weak acid. So the nature of the compound is also basic in nature, so it is called basic salt. It is called basic salt. Today, chapter 5, acid, base and salt, is completed, and I hope all of you understand this chapter. Okay, thank you.